Hello. To achieve the function of abandoned cart email in Clickfunnels 2.0, you will have to have a landing page or a opt-in page to collect emails before the checkout page. So Clickfunnels has the emails so they can run the abandoned cart email setup functions. And so after that, in the checkout page, let me show the triggers. There will be two triggers. One is purchased and another is page view. The purchase is simply for when someone purchases the product, so they get the downloadable file, which is this one. So the workflow trigger will be successful purchase. This is the funnel, and the page will be the checkout page. And then you just add the purchase email. And for the abandoned cart email, the trigger will be the page view. Let me go inside of it. Okay, so workflow trigger will be event type page view. The funnel will be the funnel you will be working on, and the page will be the checkout page. After that, you can set a time delay. For me, it's just 3 minutes for now. After that, you will need to set a conditional split step. Let me go inside of it. And in that step, you will need to have 3 conditions. The first condition is to Clickfunnels have to check if the person opt-in on the opt-in page so they can have the emails. After that, Clickfunnels will check if the person has visited the checkout page. If this is true, they will go to the next step and they will check if the person already purchased the product. In that case, this is the product. And if they does not purchase the product, then the condition will go to the no step. In the no step, you just add the email for abandoned cart workflow, and that's it. Thank you.